Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's tropical update. So we have the potential for not one, but two hurricanes in the eastern Pacific. So first, taking a look at Invest 93E. As of 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Thursday, July 6, 2023, a broad area of low pressure located several hundred miles south of southwestern Mexico is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions are forecast to be conducive for gradual development of the system, and a tropical depression will likely form over the weekend while it moves generally west-northwestward away from the coast of mainland Mexico. Formation chance through 48 hours is high at 70%, and the formation chance through 7 days is high at 80%. And looking at the system behind that, as of 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Thursday, July 6, 2023, a broad area of low pressure could form a few hundred miles south of the southern coast of Mexico early next week. Some gradual development of the system is possible thereafter while it moves generally westward to west-northwestward. Formation chance through 48 hours is near 0%. Formation chance over the next 7 days is medium, near 50%. So we're going to be taking a look at the GFS and European models to see if either of these potential hurricanes is going to impact Mexico. So first, looking at the 12Z run of the GFS model, Invest 93E is likely going to develop into a tropical depression as early as Saturday, and possibly a tropical storm as early as Saturday afternoon as well. And this is going to, as of right now, remain several hundred miles to the southwest of Mexico. So Invest 93E poses no threat to Mexico or any land, as it is going to likely become a hurricane by Sunday or Monday, Category 1, maybe even Category 2 hurricane, and move out to sea during Tuesday and Wednesday, eventually dissipating over the eastern Pacific, posing no threat to Hawaii either. Now, looking at the system behind that, we could see a tropical storm as early as Tuesday with the system behind Invest 93E, and this is, as of right now, the GFS is rapidly intensifying the system here to a hurricane by Wednesday, July the 12th, and by Thursday, we could be seeing a major hurricane potentially southwest of Mexico. Luckily, as of right now, the GFS is showing this hurricane staying off the shore as well, although we could see some rain bands wrapping around into southern Mexico from the second system between July 12th and July 14th. And this one could become a really, really powerful hurricane as it moves to the west, possibly even a Category 4 by Friday, July the 14th, before moving out to sea and posing no threat to land. Looking at the European model to see if this model shows any threat to Mexico. So again, looking at the 12Z run of the European model, Invest 93E, the European model is showing a much weaker system, not really much stronger than a weak tropical storm by Sunday and Monday, also not impacting land. And then the European model shows a hurricane with the second system also staying well to the south of Mexico and not impacting any land. So we're going to be seeing the possibility of two hurricanes in the eastern Pacific, but as of right now, it appears that neither one is a threat to Mexico. So that is some very good news for my friends in Mexico. Anyway, thanks for watching this evening's tropical update. I'll continue to monitor these two systems to see if there's any changes in the tracks. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.